Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, here on the Link chart, the price is still in the support region. We've had another reaction just now to the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement. Quick reminder of where we stand. We're currently on the micro level here, likely in a third wave in the late stages. For me, this looks more like a three-wave move up. So based on the context, I would prefer at least one more high here on the micro level before circle wave 4, which is the next larger corrective pullback starts. That means the uptrend is still unfolding. There's no, I see this as a corrective pullback. It's more like a consolidation. Actually, which is quite interesting, the price seems to be moving in a corrective price channel. Now it's not that well defined, but see, we're still holding in that corrective price channel, which you might even call, let's see if we can actually make it a bit clearer. Well, we're moving in something like a corrective price channel, sideways consolidation. And as long as we're staying in that corrective price channel, there isn't really evidence that this correction is over. So it would require a break above the upper boundary line of the price channel for an indication of a breakout. And then a target would be the $33 level. And above that level, we even have some confluence of different Fibonacci levels around $38.30. So this would be the next upside area to watch. For now, we are in the support region, or we just actually left it to the upside after the price has shown a small reaction here. But that doesn't mean the correction is over. I mean, what we can identify is a three-wave move down in an A, B, C structure. I, of course, cannot rule out a little bit further downside, but this wave 4 looks healthy to me. It doesn't need to extend any further. It could easily complete in this area. I'm on high, let's say on high alert for a move up in wave 5. Whereas if the correction really needs to, it could stretch out time-wise easily within the price channel. There is not really a time limit, even though this wave 4 is already very healthy. It's already stretched out quite a bit. And looking at the wave 4, obviously, I mean, it's a three-wave move down complete. So if it doesn't stay in the trend channel but breaks to the downside, well, that would be, in my opinion, a first indication that some kind of a top is already in place, even though we're still holding above support. But let's say it would turn into a very large wave and very, very complex wave 4 than if it does this or something. But it could still hold here or here. I mean, technically that's valid. It would just be very deep for a wave 4 of that wave degree, right? I hope that's clear. But typically we say 26, 29. In this case, a 38.2 retracement is an ideal target for a fourth wave. So maybe it's just a wick to that level and a response. That's great. Technically, this fourth wave in an upside impulse is valid as long as the price doesn't break and sustain below $25. That is when I would assume a top is in. I would already get a bit cautious with a break below the trend channel, but if it's not a sustained break, it's not that meaningful. So overall, we're looking for one more high before the circle wave 3 rally is over. Then we can redefine support for circle wave 4, which at the moment is defined at $17.65, but it will likely move up. Because if the price pushes a little higher, we will move this support area with the price. So that's what we are tracking. Looks a bit like a bullish flag here, but without any upside breakout signal at this stage. That should give you all the levels and an idea about the structure. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.